Don't make this CSS mistake when using the height property in combination with percentages. For example, inside a container we have a parent div that consists of two children. We want to achieve that each child fills half of the space provided by the container. So someone might set the height for each child to 50%, but in fact not seeing anything change. Why is that? Let's break it down. Percentage refers to the parent element, which in our case is that div with the class parent. However, this div has no explicit height, so it falls back to the default behavior of all block elements. It receives a height that is just as big as it needs to be to fit the content. To solve this, we just have to set a height of 100% to our parent div. Those 100% refer to the next parent element, which is the container right here. And that container has a fixed height. Now we successfully pass down the height to the children. Follow for more.